Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the wild vegetable celtuce taco in Heartopia. In this latest update, there is a new event that called Dreamlike Cinematic Event, and at this event you can cook any food, any limited food. One of them is wild vegetable celtuce taco like this, and then to cook this you need any wild greens. Yeah, you can collect it directly at the map, and then you also need the romaine lettuce taco like this. So just cook it first, and then after all the ingredients are complete, just simply tap on start cooking, and then just cook the food like this. And okay, like this, you successfully making wild vegetable celtuce taco in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.